Sovrn Commerce, formerly VigLink, is a platform that turns your existing content into affiliate revenue. I tested it, and here's my honest experience in 2025. Most people get this wrong, assuming affiliate programs require complex setup. The surprising truth is Sovrn Commerce automates most of the work. You simply integrate their code into your site and it converts regular product links into affiliate links automatically. Setup was straightforward. I signed up, connected my website, and within hours my links were active. The dashboard tracks clicks, conversions, and earnings in real time, which makes monitoring effortless. Sovrn Commerce works across thousands of retailers, including Amazon, Walmart, and smaller niche stores. This breadth ensures most product mentions on your site can generate revenue without manually applying to each program. Earnings are transparent. Payments are issued monthly via PayPal or bank transfer, and the platform offers detailed reporting so you know which links are performing best. Over a few weeks, I saw consistent clicks and small, but growing, revenue from existing content. The downside is commission rates vary by merchant and some links may not convert well. However, the automation saves huge amounts of time compared to traditional affiliate management. In conclusion, Sovrn Commerce is perfect for bloggers, content creators, and niche sites looking to monetize without constant maintenance. If you want passive income from your existing content, it's a platform worth exploring in 2025.